I work as a program manager in an IT company, around 18 years of experience into software development, and now as a program manager.
I am a lawyer by profession, and I got interested in this program because I am enthusiastic about technology and I wanted to know more about technology and how it works.
My name is Ajay Khatri, and I've been completing this FinTech Batch 3 course from SP Jain.
I'm Hemant Sutar. Actually, I'm a student of FinTech Batch 3.
Myself Siddharth, with this FinTech 03 batch of SP Jain Global.
This is Sanket. I am part of the FinTech batch at SP Jain.
The course has been really good, offered by SP Jain Global Management on FinTech.
I joined this course last year, beginning of 2019, and it has been an eventful 9 months. Of course, it's a very good course, looking at the current trend in FinTech, the technologies. It is very well structured, and the contents as well as the faculties that that they get from outside are really outstanding.
The journey for last 1 year was really great. Learned a lot, different concept, technologies, use cases. Met industry veterans of different sort who have shared their own industry experience and insight. The course coverage is really good. The content delivered by the faculty and the external guests is really well.
The course have been structured in a way that it starts with banking, and then it gets into the introduction of FinTech, and then into the FinTech technologies, ending up with live use cases of various industries, and then doing a project where you get an opportunity to work on an idea, work on a solution, and then present it.
I wasn't from a finance background. I did not have any knowledge of finance. But over the course of time, as the lectures, I sat in the lectures and I came to know a lot of different things which are happening in finance. Most of the lot was the technology part. The technology part was amazing. I wanted to learn more of a blockchain, then machine learning, artificial intelligence, and the kind of course content this course has is amazing.
It requires a lot of efforts in the sense of internal projects and the final projects we do. Still, a lot of participation is required in the sense that you need to come well prepared on the topics which are getting covered. All in all, a great experience at this time of the career for self-learning and learning something new and relevant.
I didn't have any knowledge on what FinTech is all about, just it was a buzzword for me. But after a year, after completing this course, this seemed to give me more confidence, and at least give me a next door where I should look at, where I should focus more.
The professors, the internal faculty as well as the visiting faculties have been a great support and mentor to us to be able to get a good understanding of the technologies that are evolving and how we can benefit out of it or look at implementation of them at our workplace.
It's been 1 year of a fantastic experience, and I want to thank Vikram for all his support and his patience and perseverance to deal with all of us.
The exposure that you get is really good. Of course, you have to spend time on, you have to attend the lectures on weekends, and that's not sufficient. You have to spend a lot of time on your own, doing your own studies. It requires efforts, but all in all, if I had to put it in a mixed way, it has been a great exposure experience for me, and I certainly would recommend people to do this.
We hope you take the first step in becoming future ready and give your career and paycheck a boost. Enroll now for the FinTech SP Jain and Immardicus Learning Certification Program. Thank you.